Hi everybody and أهلا وسهلا to my channel Piece of Egypt, where I cook authentic Egyptian food in honor of my mom. And today's recipe is Egyptian orange cake. Most of the recipes on my channel are my mom's recipes in the 80s and 90s, and I try my best to keep them as original as possible. Growing up, my mom used to make this cake for us for breakfast. And let me tell you, it's addicting. If you are on a diet, you don't need to watch this video. Without further ado, let's start our recipe. First thing, preheat the oven to 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Grease and flour a pan. Here I used oil and just a little bit of flour. And I use this rectangular shape, but any shape will do. Sift 2 cups of flour with 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I really like to sift the flour for cakes, but you can skip this step. Then add sugar. I added here 3/4 of a cup, but you can add anywhere from half a cup to a cup. Give those dry ingredients a mix and set them aside. And now let's do the wet ingredients. We need 4 eggs and 1 cup of fresh orange juice. Here I used 3 medium oranges for 1 cup, and I zested 2 oranges, and that gave me 1 tablespoon of orange zest. And a half a cup of melted butter, oil or ghee. I use here ghee as my mom used to make it. Then add all those wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. Just to combine, don't overwork this batter. When it comes together, it's all done. Pour it into your floured pan and right into the oven. And as always, I will leave all the ingredients in the description box below in Arabic and English. I baked it for 35 minutes in this rectangular pan. But if you have something wider and the batter is shorter, then you bake it for less time. Usually it takes 30 minutes in other pans, but for this one, it took 35 minutes. Check out that vibrant color. Doesn't this look gorgeous? And smells absolutely amazing. My mom used to make this in the evening, and then we have it for the breakfast in the morning with a cup of tea, plain, nothing on it. But here I just sprinkled a little bit of powdered sugar and I put a few slices of oranges, just because. The sweet aroma of this cake baking brings back so many memories of my mom, and I continue this tradition in my household. I really hope you give this recipe a try, and if you do, please let me know how it turned out. If you have any question, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't to my channel. Now my friends, go and have some fun. And don't forget to cook like an Egyptian. Happy baking. Bye.